In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the 404 error on your Wix website. Now, if you've landed on this video, it's likely because you're seeing a 404 error on your site. No worries, I'm here to help you solve this issue quickly and easily. A 404 error generally means that the page you're trying to access doesn't seem to exist anymore, or perhaps the link directing to the page might be broken. Sit tight as I guide you through the process of correcting it, step by step. First off, let's verify if the page in question actually exists. What you need to do is to copy the full URL that's presenting the error. With that URL in hand, head over to your Wix editor. On the left-hand side, there's a panel. Click on Menus and Pages. This section will display a list of all the pages on your site. Look carefully to see if the page is still there. If it's missing, it might have been deleted or possibly renamed at some point. In that case, you can either restore the page or update the link you have to point to the current and correct page. Next, let's tackle any broken links that might be scattered throughout your website. Go through each part of your site thoroughly. Check buttons, menus, or any hyperlinks that you suspect might be linking to the problematic page. Update those links so that they lead your visitors to the right place instead of a dead end. After you've sorted out your links, if you're looking to ensure that anyone who visits the old URL is automatically taken to the correct page, setting up a redirect is a great option. To do this, navigate to your Wix dashboard. Once there, head to the Settings menu and find the SEO section. Scroll down until you find the URL Redirect Manager. This tool is super handy. It allows you to redirect users seamlessly. In the old URL box, paste the link that's causing the issues. Then, in the new URL box, input the address of the correct page they should be visiting. Hit Save to ensure this redirect goes into effect. The final step is to republish your site and give the fixed link one more test run. Visit the link in question. If you followed all the steps correctly, it should now either load the right page or seamlessly redirect, leaving that pesky 404 error behind. And there you have it. You've successfully resolved the 404 error on your Wix website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really makes a difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Wix tutorials that I share regularly. If you've got any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.